Yeah, well, I got the Outrider. It's that inline screwdriver and the scissors that kind of sold me. That, and it was 50% off. They didn't have it in the black version, but I mean, for 50% off, I'm not gonna bitch. But yeah, it's got the saw, a nice blade, scissors, the inline screwdriver, a corkscrew I can add a tool to, toothpick, tweezers, all the essentials. All the essentials. And this particular series, these grips, never liked them before, but I've been carrying around the Soldier, and yeah, I have a newfound appreciation for this style. I wanted a knife that was modern in materials, but then I could have the traditional and expectations, kind of like one of those buck knives. Just, reliable. And I think I found a series, maybe not a model, but a series. These grips and the Outrider is the next contender. The Soldier knife is bitching, but I think a lot of people know about that one.